Hello, Advanced English Explearners. Mary Daphne here, your trusty guide to unlocking your full linguistic and communication potential. Today, we're diving into a topic that is close to my heart: how to harness the incredible power of intrinsic motivation to skyrocket your English progress. Buckle up because we're about to make learning fun again. Let's get into it. Now, you might be thinking, intrinsic motivation? Sounds fancy. But trust me, it's simpler than you think. Intrinsic motivation is that spark of joy, curiosity, and personal satisfaction that you get from doing something that you genuinely love. You know, like when you lose yourself in a captivating novel, can't stop giggling at a hilarious film, or have one of those deep, soul-stirring conversations with a dear friend. It's that feeling of pure enjoyment that makes time fly by and leaves you wanting more. And that, my friends, is exactly what we want to tap into when it comes to learning English. Because when you are fueled by intrinsic motivation, language learning transforms from a chore into a delightful adventure. It becomes something that you look forward to, something that you actively seek out, and something that you genuinely enjoy. So, how do we tap into this magical source of motivation? Well, my friends, it all starts with understanding what truly lights your fire. Not your neighbor's fire, not your cousin's fire, but your fire. So here are some strategies. Number one, find your English passion. Listen, friends, we all have something that sets our souls on fire. Maybe it's the way music can transport you to another dimension, the thrill of getting lost in a captivating film, the joy of creating culinary masterpieces, the wanderlust for exploring new cultures, or the intellectual stimulation of diving deep into a subject that fascinates you. Whatever it is, your passion is the key to unlocking your intrinsic motivation for learning English. So let's say music is your jam. Don't just listen to English songs passively. Make them an active part of your learning journey. Dissect the lyrics, analyze their meaning, sing along at the top of your lungs, and maybe even try your hand at writing your own English lyrics. Who knows? You might just discover a hidden talent. And the same goes for any other passion of yours. If you're a foodie, explore English recipes, watch cooking shows, or even start a blog about your culinary adventures. The possibilities are endless. Number two, set goals that spark joy. Now, let's ditch those vague, yawn-inducing goals like becoming fluent. We're aiming higher, my friends. Instead, focus on goals that are deeply personal, meaningful, and relevant to your life. Think about it. Wouldn't it be absolutely amazing to discuss your favorite books with a fellow bookworm in English, or to understand the lyrics of your favorite songs without having to constantly reach for Google Translate? Those are the kinds of goals that ignite your passion, fuel your motivation, and make learning English an exciting journey rather than a tedious task. So take a moment to reflect. Really think about it. What do you truly want to achieve with your English skills? Write those goals down, make them visible, maybe put them on a Post-it on your mirror and look at it every morning when you wake up, and let them be your guiding light on this adventure. Number three, celebrate every tiny triumph. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a reason to celebrate. Did you finally master that tricky pronunciation that's been tripping you up? Or maybe you used a new phrasal verb in a conversation and absolutely nailed it. Maybe you cracked a joke in English and got a genuine laugh. Those are not just little victories. They're milestones on your path to English mastery. So don't be shy about celebrating them. Write them down in a journal. Date it. Share them with a friend, or simply give yourself a pat on the back. Acknowledging your progress reinforces your motivation and reminds you of how far you've come. It's like adding fuel to your learning fire, keeping it burning bright and strong. Number 4, turn learning into playtime. Now, let's be honest, learning shouldn't feel like a chore. It should feel like play. So, let's ditch the textbooks and flashcards for a moment, just for a moment, mind you, and explore the fun side of learning English. Why not join an online language exchange where you can chat with fellow English enthusiasts from all corners of the globe, or dive into the world of English language games, puzzles, and brain teasers? You could even start a vlog where you document your language journey, share your experiences, and connect with a community of learners. Remember, my friends, learning should be an adventure, not a punishment. So go out there, have fun, experiment, and find those activities that make you smile and leave you wanting more. Speaking of connection, finding your tribe is key. Surround yourself with other learners who share your passion for English and who are on similar journeys as you. Their enthusiasm, support, and shared experiences will lift you up, inspire you, and remind you that you're not alone on this journey. We are all in it together. So join online forums, attend language meetups, or even start your own study group. And if you are looking for a vibrant, supportive community of English learners and the guidance of experienced professionals, then you simply must check out Explearning Academy. We've designed 2 fantastic plans to cater to your individual learning style and goals. The self-study plan is a perfect plan for those who love to learn at their own pace, with daily tasks, weekly calendars, comprehensive lessons, exciting monthly challenges, engaging web courses, live events like webinars and Q&A sessions. Social pods are our interest groups where you can communicate with people in the network around a different topic that you love, and you have access to a network of international professionals. You will have everything you need to improve your communication skills, reach social fluency, and even develop your professional English prowess. And then we have the focused group coaching program. This plan is for learners who crave targeted practice and personalized feedback. So in addition to everything that you get in the self-study plan, you will also get focused group coaching sessions and personalized feedback that you can apply to our next coaching call. It's the perfect way to accelerate your progress and gain the confidence that you need to conquer any English communication challenge you might face. And if you're ready to take your professional English to the next level and you just want a one-time course that you purchase, not a subscription, well then you should definitely check out our Executive Excellence Masterclass. This exclusive program will help you refine your executive communication skills, polish your professional presence and executive presence, and master the art of persuasive communication. So whether you're an intermediate or advanced learner of English, Explearning Academy has the perfect plan for you to help you unleash your inner English communication superstar. So why not join our vibrant community and start your journey to fluency today? How to put these strategies into practice. Now, how do you put all of this into practice? Well, it's simple, my friends, but it does require a dash of dedication and a sprinkle of consistency. First and foremost, schedule daily English time. I know, life gets busy. Trust me, even just 15 to 20 minutes a day can do wonders. Treat it like a date with your favorite language, something you look forward to, not dread. So set an alarm, block off a chunk of time in your calendar, and make it non-negotiable, like brushing your teeth. Now, let's talk about variety. Don't fall into the trap of sticking to just one activity. That's boring, and you will probably lose interest pretty quickly. Mix it up. Read a chapter of a captivating English novel. Write a few lines in your journal. Listen to a podcast while you're commuting or doing chores or cooking, and find opportunities to speak in English, even if it's just with yourself in the mirror. It will help you progress. Remember, learning a language is like exercising different muscle groups. You need to work them all to get a well-rounded, strong physique. And here is something that we often forget. Track your progress. It's super easy to get caught up in the day-to-day grind and forget how far we've come. So I really encourage you to keep a journal, use an app, or simply jot down notes with their dates about the new words that you've learned, the grammar concepts that you've mastered, and the conversations that you've confidently held in English. Celebrate those wins, big and small, and let them fuel your motivation. And now for a little bit of tough love, don't be afraid to make mistakes. In fact, I encourage you to make mistakes and embrace them. Mistakes are not setbacks. They're not your enemy. They are stepping stones to success. They're actually how we learn, grow, and ultimately become fluent in a language. So go out there, get outside of your comfort zone, speak your heart out, and don't worry too much about stumbling over a few words here and there. When that happens, just pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and keep going. You might even laugh about it. Remember, even the most eloquent English speakers started out as beginners. And finally, be flexible. If a particular strategy isn't working for you, don't be afraid to switch things up. Experiment, try new things, and find what resonates with you the most. Remember, learning English should be a joyful journey, not a stressful slog. So have fun with it, embrace the challenges, and let your intrinsic motivation be your guiding light, your North Star. And remember, my friends, intrinsic motivation isn't about being perfect. Nobody is perfect. It's about showing up consistently and embracing the journey. Celebrate your unique strengths, find joy in the process of learning English, and make it your own adventure. Now go out there and shine. If you enjoyed this lesson, leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so that you never miss a lesson from me, and follow our podcast. You can also subscribe to our newsletter for more strategies and lessons delivered directly to your inbox each week from me to help you improve your confidence, your English communication, and your social fluency. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.